A common situation in Dorico, especially when we're working with libraries that include a large number of articulations, is when we need to handle similar looking notations that actually corresponds to different samples in the sound library. In this example, we look at how to differentiate a regular tremolo from a tremolo sul ponticello. First, I'll create my playing technique. I'll keep only the markings sul ponticello, because I'll be using the slash tremolo notation directly on the note stem. To demonstrate what happens, I'll set up two bass switches, one for tremolo and one for tremolo sul ponticello. In my setup, I'm using the Universal Articulation Controller, UACC, to handle articulation changes in the library. Let's hear what happens. The switch doesn't occur because the tremolo notation on the note takes priority and overrides the sul ponticello articulation. One way to handle this situation is to create, in the second bass switch, a combination of playback techniques, tremolo plus tremolo sul ponticello. To select two techniques at the same time, just hold Shift. Finally, I assign the control change action corresponding to tremolo sul ponticello. Now, whenever Dorico encounters a combined notation, it will automatically play the correct sample, that is, the tremolo sul ponticello.